YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little something special, and that's going to be the switchbacks that I'm going to be installing. So I do have upgraded turn signals. They're like little, I don't know, it looks like a little Lego or tooth instead of the bulbs. They're just plug and play. These ones are kind of the same, except for their switchbacks. So it basically runs as a secondary headlight, and then when you hit the turn signal, it will convert to amber. So it runs full white, hit the turn signal, converts to amber. When you hit the turn signal back off again, goes back to full white. So it's just like a cool little additional feature. And like I said, nobody has this feature on their truck that I know of that has a Freightliner. So I've had these for maybe a month, but I just haven't installed them yet because I wanted to do a video for you guys to see. So stay tuned, and we're gonna get these things installed and see what they look like. All right, so I only got a few minutes to do this, but got my little package in right here. Let's open these bad boys up, see what they look like. Okay, yeah, that's the switchbacks. I'll open them up in a second. And then these right here are gonna be the new interior cab lights for the roof. They're a lot bigger, but they're a lot brighter. Like I said, I got upgraded interior cab lights as well, all in the dome. The only ones I can't really find are the ones above the driver and the passenger seat and the reading light in the back. But all the dome lights above, they're all upgraded. So let's go ahead and open these bad boys up real quick. Show you what these guys look like. So just like the other ones, it's like a little tooth. Let's see if you guys can see that. So it's got the amber on the side. Oh, I guess it does have amber on the front too. I'm not sure. It's supposed to be, we're gonna see what they look like. But this is the switchbacks. Just plug and play, just like that. These replace your turn signals. So the ones I have are upgraded, and I'm gonna pop those ones out, and I'm gonna put the new ones in. So let's get these things installed and see what they look like. Okay, yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. Here, pull this boy out. So these things are plug and play. See, it's like a little tooth, Lego, whatever, box, square, plug and play. Upgraded turn signals. These do, and I'm assuming the new ones have a faster sequence on it. I told the guy that I get them from that I like the faster sequence, but he does have them where you can put a relay on it and it slows the flashing down or the sequence or whatever. So I like it because I feel like it grabs people's attention more. You know what I mean? People are more likely to look at a light that's, you know, flashing a little bit faster versus the slow kind of, you know what I mean? Versus the, so they look like again. All right, let's put these bad boys in. Boom, just like that. All right. Oh, that looks so cool. Wow, I'm excited. I'm excited. All right, same thing for the other side. Old tooth. Put those in the bag. Keep the old ones because they're still good turn signals. Like if I ever need a backup pair, and they're LED, so these things last forever. Here it is. All right, let's get the hood closed and see what these bad boys look like in action. All right, let's see what these bad boys look like. It is literally just a turn signal. Alright, so let's see what it looks like with the headlights on. So you guys see the top is the switchback, the bottom is my LED headlight, and like I said, they have 4 settings on them, so I can go like this, and now it's full yellow. So we got the white at the top, the yellow at the bottom. They go half and half white, half yellow, and then they go full strobe as well. So now let's turn on the turn signal, see what it looks like. Alright. Why am I clicking? Well, maybe my truck has to be on. Alright, let's turn my truck on real quick. Muddy ass parking lot. I know. I'm off duty, taking my 30-minute break. Gideon, stop it. You don't tell me. Alright, I got the turn signal on. Oh yeah, my Qualcomm's name is Gideon, because off of Legends of Tomorrow, where they time travel and stuff. That's the artificial intelligence. Anyways. Oh, look at that. That's dope. That is an intense turn signal right there. Let's see what it looks like. That's cool. You see the half and half, the half white, half yellow in there? Yes, one more view with the yellows on. That's cool. And then, boom, put your blinker back, and it just goes right back. Full white like that. See? From here you can really kind of see what it looks like. I plan on doing a lot more stuff with this truck. But right now, just doing little stuff. Okay, so we've arrived at our receiver up here a little north of Portland, and I'm parking here overnight, so I did get permission. And then when I got here, some of the staff was here, so they were cool with me parking, but I got an 8 a.m. appointment, so I try to park at the receivers as much as possible so I don't have to mess around with truck stops and, You know, sometimes you can't because, you know, you got to park outside of the city, or, you know, you're getting in late and there's not enough parking, or for whatever reason. But I try to park at the receivers as much as possible, then just wake up, get unloaded, and, you know, book my next load or do whatever I'm doing. So anyways, we're going to check out these lights at nighttime. Want to give you guys a quick view. So let's go check them out. Boom. That's literally just the turn signals. They look like headlights. That's crazy. See how they're sitting on the top? It's literally just the turn signals. Pretty bright. Turn signals with the yellows. I don't know why, I just love the yellows. Here's an up close. So top is the switchback turn signals. Bottom is the 4 settings. That's just the running lights. I do have high beam LEDs as well. But when you're in snow, heavy rain, fog, the yellows are great, but I love how the white's right there like that. With the yellow, in combination with the two, it'll cut right through any snow or fog, heavy rain, anything like that. So let's go ahead and throw these on. So we just threw on the blinker switch, and from the white LED, it converted to amber. And that's cool, because the other side right here is still running full white like that. And as you can see, the other side is amber. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's what it looks like. I know there's a lot of, I don't know, I guess it looks kind of blurry with the camera because of how the lights are. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.